Hello everybody, today I got a TP-Link WN821N 300 megabits wireless and USB adapter. If you guys are having lag, delays in your gameplay, internet streaming, video not loading, I suggest go for this adapter. It's really cheap, it's only like 50 ringgit. I don't know how much is it in the US, but it's really cheap in Malaysia. And it's really good. So here we have the box explaining benefits, features, and what a wireless adapter will do. Connects you to the network, obviously. So let's dive in, shall we? Here we have plastic housing displaying the adapter, the glorious 300 megabits adapter. Really nice. Underneath the adapter we have a quick installation guide, and resource CD, which is CD utility for installing the wireless adapter, and the USB extension cable. Throughout my testing, I didn't use this CD. I plug into my Windows 8 computer, it straight away detected this driver. It's easy to use. Any beginners, people who don't know how to use a computer, can get this adapter working. This is just literally plug and play. It's what plug and play mean. Plug and connect and play. So here we have the wireless adapter. Pretty low profile. USB cap for transportation. And we have USB extension lead. So if you move the wireless adapter further away from your PC or closer to your router, so you can get better speeds and better coverage. So here's a quick unboxing of the TP-Link WN821N. Thanks for watching. Hello everybody, this is the follow-up of the TP-Link wireless and 300 megabits adapter. As I already told, plug and play and connect it to my network. Here we go to speed test and try out the speed I'm getting. I should be getting 10 megabits up and down, that's what I'm paying for. Let's begin the test. As you can see, I'm getting really low ping, which is really good. I'm getting my full down speed, or close to full, which is good. And I'm getting close to my full outdoor speed. Not the closest, but closer than what I previously had.